You don't have to follow the, you could go against the wave. Or go with the flow. What if you go against the flow? What if going against the flow is part of your intuition, part of your sixth sense? We might go with the flow. I have a contention with that, you know, go with the flow. So let's say some random stranger walk up to me and offer me cocaine. Should I go with the flow or should I follow my intuition? I'm not going with the flow. So that go with the flow is kind of illogical, man. That go with the flow or go with the flow only applies with your intuition. I think go with the flow means allowing your intuition to flow, allowing your sixth sense to flow.